So there's this trend on TikTok, and it's to put literally an astronomical amount of foundation, concealer, and everything on your face, which is crazy. And we're gonna be trying that because I feel like it's so like weird in a way, and like I feel like a lot of people do that for pictures, for YouTube, and it's like a whole technique. So I guess we're gonna start with that and we'll see how it goes. I put my hair up. It's not very the best looking thing, but I mean, and like for that one, I'm pretty sure I have to put a gripping primer, a moisturizing primer, because the amount of powder, liquids, everything, like, girl, I need to protect this face. And we'll see if it's the best thing ever to cover up my acne, because I'm not really into that thick layer of foundation on my skin. So, and okay, best gripping primer, we're gonna put some Milk Makeup. Might as well smear that primer on my face as well, because so foundation, we're gonna go into the Maybelline Fit Me. Excited to see what it's gonna do. This is way too much product, girl. Is it gonna look good? Is it gonna look bad on dry skin, acne-prone skin? I feel like I'm almost doing a facial for my face. This is everywhere. This is so disgusting. Like I can definitely feel that I have something on my skin. It's so heavy. Oh, and I look so orange. Oh my god, this is definitely not my color. Oh my god, do you see it oxidizing? This is so bad. Oh my god, it's oxidizing. It's becoming so orange. Like, oh my god, like I never thought this foundation would oxidize so much, but this is pretty bad. Okay, so concealer, come to the rescue. This one is full coverage. I'm trying to stay full coverage. This is the 16-hour Camo Concealer. We're gonna put, again, an astronomical amount of concealer. This is so bad. Okay, I never do that in my life. We're using fingers. So I'm trying not to remove too much product, because if I do that, like, and the nose, like, it literally doesn't want to stick on it. It's so bad. Hopefully my skin looks flawless after this. So I think, like, this is for the contour, and they were contouring, so this is just a medium concealer that I'm gonna smear all over my face as well, like here. And oh my god, it's rubbing off the product. Please don't go away. I barely have anything left. I barely have, girl, can you, like, these concealers barely have anything in them. I think I'm gonna have to take a shower after that, because this is crazy, girl. Like, I don't think it fits with me. I usually don't apply that much product, and I'm trying not to move anything. Like, it's really hard. And I feel like even for this challenge, I didn't put enough. What do you guys think of my beautiful complexion? Girl, we are snatched to the bone. Let's remove a little bit of that yellowness though, because this is crazy. A little bit more lightness. Oh, that is some thick concealer. I keep like wiping my finger away, but like I shouldn't. This is such a waste of product. This is so ugly. Oh my god. Okay, so now that this is everywhere, I'm gonna take a powder that I don't really care about because I'm gonna need a lot. And this is the Peach Perfect setting powder with a little puff. And then I'm gonna avoid the blush altogether, because is this gonna be smooth? And this powder also oxidizes, by the way. Like, it turns literal. Do you see that? Like, this is so, oh my god, this is so ugly. No. Like, look at how dark it becomes. That, I'm telling you, guys, do not buy this powder. It is the worst powder that you're gonna be ever using in your entire life. Like, look at how light my forehead is, and then it's just gone. Definitely not my color. Maybe these girls put filters, because this is crazy. Oh my god. I received some powder in my mouth and it actually tastes like sweet and peachy. Don't try this at home. Look at this contour. Like, it's so bad. And I'm putting like a whole lot of powder. It worked for some girl, like their complexion was like literally flawless, but as you can see, like this is not working for me. So I put a foundation that oxidizes, then I put a concealer that oxidizes, and then after that I put a powder that oxidizes. Girl, I look so orange. Like, this is not normal. Look at that. Like, this is, oh my god, no. I thought this foundation was good, but like, after applying a lot of it, this is pretty bad. Oh my god, it went so wrong. It went so wrong. Oh my god. Okay, I'm gonna try to fix it with my MAC Water Weight Pressed Powder because it's actually pretty light. Okay, it's not gonna be as yellow anymore. Let me just apply more of this. I'm gonna have to retract that I like this foundation. I thought it oxidized, but like not that much. Oh no. Girl, can you look at the foundation bottle and look at my face? This is not normal, okay? Like, foundation wise. And then I put this powder. This is like trying a trend and using the products that I don't really like. And the foundation, I think it's a beautiful finish, but like after looking at that, this is pretty bad. And I think using that powder just made it worse altogether. All right, so let's try. Maybe on camera it looks good though, because usually when you have that cake face on your face, it looks actually pretty good and flawless, but this is really, look at my hairline. Look at my head. This is so bad. Oh my god. Okay. Let me just try to fix this with I don't know, I should have put like my MAC Fix Studio Fix fluid for this. Okay, let me like unify this with this Marc Jacobs bronzer. Okay, let me unify this place here so I can look half decent, you know? It's definitely not my favorite thing ever on my face. Like, let me tell you, I don't know, on camera, does it look good? My skin feels so dry. So dry. Okay, let me apply this blush because it's pretty dark and I feel like it's just gonna work with this. And everything's falling, but, oh geez. I'm gonna apply too much, but already we have too much product, so let me just like, because I think the girl, she uses like a filter or something. I'm sorry, but I don't have any filter on this. So we're gonna avoid any type of filter and I'm gonna show you, like, don't do this, girl. Like, if you think doing this is gonna make you look cute, like, it's not gonna make you look cute. Maybe for pictures with a lot of like flashlight and stuff, like it might look good, but look at my under eye, how ugly this is. Oh my god. Oh girl, this is pretty bad. I would literally like never go out like this. Like, I would never. Oh my god, camera girl. Okay, let me check on my phone. And you know what's the thing? Like, my skin looks pretty smooth on the camera. That's the thing. I look really dark though. Like, this is not good for me. Okay, let me just do this and then it looks like it's my real skin. So, oh no, like, and like my lips are like getting chapped and stuff. I didn't do my eyebrows yet and this is such a disaster, so I need some highlight and I felt like maybe going with the wrong colors. I'm gonna go with the Iced Out highlighter, which like, it's a really nice formulation, but girl, the color is so yellow. I might as well just add some yellow on top of yellow. Let me just smear that over here. No. So like, that's the trend, is to like over put things on your face and stuff, and that's what it looks like. So okay, I need to do my eyebrows because this is kind of crazy. Eyebrows are snatched and done. Cute, they're thick, and we have to continue with that trend or something. Like, girl, my under eyes are screaming for help, and I moisturize properly. I swear. Oh my god. And these lights are kind of like really bright. My camera's pretty, like, picks up a lot of things, right? But this is like, at least my teeth look whiter. Lips, I guess red would be the choice color because of everything else. Like, we need a thick thick layer of this. I'm a best friend. Dun, dun, dun. I'm a best friend. Dun, dun, dun. It doesn't look that bad anymore when I have the red lip on. Like, I feel like I look pretty sure, girl. Oh no. And then my eyes, they look so plain right now. The only thing that's missing is a good pair of lash. Okay, like that's all we're missing. And that's what I'm gonna put on because this is crazy. Miami Lily lashes. I feel like that's the only thing that fits with that. Like, other than that, it's not gonna fit anything. I'm a best friend. I look so old. This would be a good Instagram versus reality type of stuff because I don't look like myself at all with this on, and it's kind of crazy. It's kind of crazy. I don't like it. I like makeup, but like this is way too much makeup. My whole face feels dry. I feel like I'm gonna have wrinkles early, and I feel like I'm damaging and clogging my pores. My best friend. I feel like that's accurate. Like now my messy bun looks cute because I have all this makeup on. And the thing is, like, I can't really see anything. Like, I can't see anything without my glasses. So I don't know, like, if it looks good or not. But to me, this sounds pretty bad. It looks pretty bad. Let's not forget about the bottom mascara. All right, so this is my makeup for today, girls. So I'm just gonna be putting some. I'm gonna cut my contour. Do you think it looks better like that? I look snatched. We're taking it to the next level, girl. Okay, like never look and tell yourself that you're not, like, you don't look like an influencer because this is crazy. That's not normal, girl, okay? And it doesn't look good. Oh my god. I'm just like, maybe it's gonna look better if I try to round up my cheeks. So, I mean, I look smooth. I look snatched, but this is way too much. But, like, if you were gonna do photography or something, this would be the type of makeup that they would do. And on Instagram, if you want to have a snatched face that looks perfect, that's probably what they do on Instagram. And that was the trend that was going on TikTok, like putting 20 million layers of makeup, which is what I did. I decided to smear it on my face and then using my fingers to blend everything. Like, that was a thick layer. And then when I was doing my eyebrows, I was passing the brush and then there was a thick layer that would just come off. It is... No, I don't like it. Like, I like if I look with my blurry eyes, I look snatched, okay? Like, I might post the pictures and everything, but this is definitely not for your day-to-day wear, which I don't usually cake my face like that because it's so damaging to my acne, to my pores, to, like, my things. Like, I can't have this makeup look for too long. So anyways, that's what we were doing today, little TikTok challenge. And if you liked it, make sure to like the video and to comment down below which was your favorite part or if you tried that before. And also consider subscribing to my YouTube channel if you want to see 5 videos a week, Monday through Friday, all on beauty related. So thank you so much again for watching. I really love you, beauties, and I will definitely see you in the next one. Bye, beauties.